Hello, viewers. Welcome to yet another episode of our basic design using ArchiCAD 20. And just before we proceed, I'll wish that our viewers, for those who have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and comment and even like after viewing the particular task that we'll be undertaking in this particular lesson. So for our lesson today, as you can see, we in our previous class we had done some grid lines. So today we really want to learn how to install columns in our grid lines, and to also learn a thing or two about spacing and even the standard measurements for columns in this particular tutorial video. So thank you, and let us journey on in this lesson. So the first thing that we will do in order to install columns is that we go and activate the column tool under the design bar. So we will locate on the left side, you'll see the wall tool, the door tool, the windows tool, and we then go to the column tool. We click on it. Then on this settings dialog here, we'll click on that to open us to the various specifications that we may want for this matter. So just as I always emphasize is that yes, there are standard measurements that are given, like you can see here. We have 300 by 300, that is a co-dimension. There's another one, there's a co-dimension one, which is also 300. So in all these things, you have a window period of choosing the standard sizes that you wish. You can also have the kind of appearance that you may have. Like in this case, we have a rectangular part of it. You can also have the circular part, so based on your preference. So I'll head straight to the the first part, which is selecting the standard sizes of these columns. So I'll just use 300 by 300 for that matter, and for external columns, I'll try and use the circular ones. So I'll change my option here to the circular bit. Then I can have a height of say 2500. That is the height of that particular column. The projection is to 0 because it is at the bottom, the upper part of the slab. And so we can look at other options available on the floor plan. We can look at the column coastlines, the uncut lines. So these are just but specifications that you can have more time to look at them based on your preference. Look at the model, and in this case, in most cases, the override surface is usually stucco, so you can have it at that. Then I think the rest of the options we can engage them once we begin the design. So the last bit here we see is structural bearing. Of course, you know, as a column, its main work is to translate the weight of a structure right from the bottom of part of the the foundation up to the roof. So I believe that this is a structural bearing column, so it has to be accorded the role that it plays. So with that, I think we are now set to go. So one thing that I always try is to pan the design itself to where you really want to locate the particular columns. So after you pan, in order to locate the individual columns, go and locate two particular meeting points for the grid lines. Then you can also zoom in just to make sure that you are placing your column in the right grid. So for that matter, it's already activated, so I'll be just be able to place the column at the meeting point. And thank God we also have the cursor there precisely giving you where you need to place. So I'll just click on that, then come here again, click on that. So that will happen across board. So I'll come here and change the orientation type to circular for the rest of the columns inside. So can have this as a square. So by that, you have already seen how we are installing the columns. What I'm really trying to emphasize is the fact that rightful positioning of the columns is quite easy, because you realize that you are just able to pan your 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 grid lines and then zoom in to actually situate your columns in the right places. So the next thing that I wish to show the viewers is how the columns look like actually in 3D dimension, sorry. And let me activate the rotation, rather the orbit button. Then you can actually see whatever you have done. You will realize that they are well situated. So that is quite what we wanted to achieve with the column tools. You can actually see that we have the square based columns, and we have the circular ones in front. So I believe that you have already seen how we install the columns by choosing which type that you want. We have the circular and even the square based columns. So my last take on it is that actually, let me preempt by telling our viewers that we are trying to construct a commercial building, kind of multi-story for that matter. So it is a step-by-step journey. So for our lesson today, I believe I just wanted to show you how to install the grid lines. Sorry, to install the columns. That is after doing our grid lines. So in case you have any question, you can leave your comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and even share with the rest of the members. For now, thank you so much, and I'm wishing you